Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a college student dreaming of landing your first internship in the VLSI field, but you don't know where to start, then congratulations, you have found the right video. And don't worry, I'm not here to throw some random buzzwords or boring theory at you. We are going to keep it real, simple, and student friendly. So grab a chai and coffee, sit back, and let's talk about how you can begin your VLSI journey even if you are starting from a scratch. I remember when I started my own college journey, I had this huge dream in my heart to do something meaningful, something impactful, something big. But honestly, that dream lasted exactly 1 week because reality hits hard. College life suddenly become a cycle of lectures, assignment, and a mess food. You feel lost. I have been there too. So here is the truth talk. Now, why an internship is crucial in VLSI? So see, they give you a real exposure. They connect your theory to actual tools, simulations, and design. And most important, they show you what you actually enjoy in doing. Whether it's RTL design, verification, DFT, or layout, internship help you to discover your space. Now, but before you apply, you need to understand one thing. Not all VLSI internship are the same. Some are RTL design where you will find or write Verilog code. Some are verification where you simulate and debug the designs. There are physical design, DFT and analog layout too. So take a moment to ask yourself, do I enjoy coding and logic puzzles? So or do I like digging into circuit and waveform? This clarity will help you to choose the right path and learn more effectively. So now let's talk about what to learn. So the foundation start with digital electronics and CMOS concept. You must understand flip-flops, combinational circuit, setup and hold time, all the basics. Then move to Verilog or system Verilog. Write code, simulate it, let it break and let it confuse you. That's part of the fun and the learning. So if you are going for the verification, dip your toss into the UVM. Even basic knowledge of all sequencer, driver and monitor will boost your profile. Now, okay, next. What is that? So personal project. So please don't skip this part. Project are both separate you from the crowd. They prove that you didn't just watch a video, you actually did something. Design a ALU, build a basic traffic FSM, create an APB test bench, or use model sim, Costa sim, or even open source tool. And once it is working, push it to GitHub. Add a README file, explain your idea and your code. Even a simple project with good documentation can seriously impress recruiters. So now come to the resume. Please don't make it to 2 pages and don't list teamwork or punctuality as your skill. Stick to 1 page, add your contact information, skill, tools, and most importantly, your projects. Include link to GitHubs and LinkedIn and write a short, clear objective. For example, I'm a third year EC student interested in design verification, looking to apply for the UVM and Verilog knowledge in real world internship. So that is short and sweet. Okay. Now let's move to a platform you are probably using already. Okay. So that is LinkedIn. But instead of scrolling memes or just reading posts, start using it like a tool. Follow VLSI's company that is Cadence, Synopsys, Intel, and Scalage. Connect with engineers and HRs. Like and comment on their post, but also share your journey. Post your projects, write about what you are learning, and even if it is small. So it's build trust. One of my FSM project actually brought me internship DMs. So trust me, it works. So now, here is a trick. Most students avoid cold emailing. So see, if you find a company or startup you admire, message to the HR or team member. Just say, "Hi, I am a third year student passionate about the VLSI. I have done some Verilog projects and I am looking for an internship. So here is my resume and GitHub. I would love to be considered." Simple, no drama and no desperation. So most people appreciate it when you are polite and clear. Okay. Now, also don't depend just one platform. Use Internsala, AngelList, and most importantly, go directly to the career pages of companies like Synopsys, Microns, or Qualcomm. Many internships are not posted on social media. They are hidden gems and the early bird get them. So also talk to your college seniors, alumni for their help. So even a small intro message can create a huge opportunity. So before we end up here is a smooth something from my heart. So you don't need to be a perfect to get your first internship. You just need to start. Build something small, apply somewhere simple, and keep learning, and don't stop after one rejection or 10. Your internship is not waiting for you to becoming an expert. It is waiting for you to show up and try. I start with zero clarity, no roadmap, no connection, just patience and persistence. And now I am there helping hundreds of students begin their journey too. So if you are watching this and feel stuck, so reach out to me. I will try my best to help. Even if it is one message, one resume review, or just a little motivation. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Drop your doubt in the comment. I will really help you personally. Subscribe for more real and useful content like this. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. This is Kittu Patel wishing you a courage, clarity, and your first internship. So see you in the next one. Thank you.